how-to videos. My name is Munamuju, customer success lead at AlphaCX platforms. Today I'll be showing you how to create teams. You can check out our previous videos. There is a product walkthrough for AlphaCX app, how to sign up, how to create customer, how to create a ticket, how to create a user, and all that and all the rest. You can just check our videos out, and you can subscribe to our video channel, our YouTube channel, sorry, to get notifications whenever we have new videos, and like this video at the end of it. So how to create a team. As well as usual, every time you log into the AlphaCX app, you would get to the dashboard. And so from our navigation menu here, there's also a video on how to navigate your way around on the AlphaCX app. You just go to the settings icon right here and tap it, and then it takes you to the settings menu or the settings page. On the settings page, you simply tap the teams menu or the teams option, and it takes you to the page that displays all the teams that there are in the organization or on your account. So to create a new team, you simply tap add team. Here we can see the different teams that there are already and the categories that they handle, their description. From here, you can actually either edit or delete a particular team. But to add a new team, you just tap this button here, and it brings this form, which you can get to pick the team name. So I can say delivery team, and then the description could be just to deliver solutions. But you do not have to add a description for your team, just in case there's no need for that. And then there's the ticket categories that they'll be handling. So for this kind of team, they'll probably be handling only complaints because they deliver solutions every time that there is a complaint. So we create this team, and then that team would be displayed right here on the teams page. So to add people to teams, all you just have to do is go to the settings menu again, tap the users. This is only done by the admin or by the supervisor, as well as adding users also. And I can decide to add somebody to a new team. So here, each of these people have only one team that they are in. I can add this person to another team. So I just tap the teams option on the profile settings and add delivery, which I just created now, that person has to be in as well. So when the page is displayed, you see that user has been assigned to the delivery team as well. So every ticket that comes in that has to do with complaints, Miss Muna will be getting this as well. So that is how you add a team to your AlphaCX account. It is always advisable to have teams that handle different ticket categories for the sake of productivity and for accountability as well. Until the next video, continue watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our videos to get information like how to use certain features on the AlphaCX app, and also how to use the new features that will be coming out as time goes on, and webinars. You get notification of webinars that will be coming up so that you can be able to manage your customer relationship much better and to grow your business as well. Until the next video, stay tuned.